Good morning, guys. So for today's activity, I wanted to continue with the rainbow conversation, but I also wanted to get outside and do some experimenting with rubbings and nature. So crayons work best for this. All I have is colored pencils today. But I wanted you to take a piece of paper. I cut it up into 4 small pieces. And I wanted you to go find something outside that has texture that you could feel. I found this tree in my backyard, which is perfect, okay? Take your piece of paper and you stick it up to whatever you could find. And again, crayons work best. I have colored pencils. And you rub. The rainbow piece of this is use different colors. Rose, purple, orange. Red. I gotta get all the colors. Get all the colors in here. Blue. Green, and finally, yellow. And you can see right here how it comes out. Okay, so I want you to go outside and find a tree, maybe a front porch, some stairs, something that has texture. Texture is what you could feel. And do some rubbings. Crayons work best, but if you have markers or colored pencils, those will work too. Can't wait to see what you got.